Friends, greetings to you. Nebraska's Zoological Equipment channel is with you. Today I want to show you the process of boiling augers directly on the pipe. So we got a record to do on the shaft, weld on the screws. And I want to show the quality of the cooking seams and the quality of the pussy welds themselves. Here you go. Here you see the joint after we bend it on the machine on ours. You see, here it is perfectly straight. I mean, for a welder, for ours, to weld such a joint is a dream. We have such quality because we have our own professional equipment in our sanitary production. We use it to manufacture these screws. It fits perfectly on the pipe. That is, when we put the auger on the pipe, there are no external influences on it. I mean, we're neither giving him a karate chop nor pushing him up. We just put it on once, scalded it, and that's it. Because of this, there doesn't appear to be some kind of tension in the metal if we adjust it. Or some sort of gap between the repair neck itself and the pipe will be there. I mean, we're not adjusting anything. Accordingly, the neck of exploitation will behave differently than if he had originally come out some kind of hole, if we had him on some homemade chair. And put on the other one, something he doesn't sit there, we gave him a nudge, what to do. Naturally, such a person will be difficult to work with, in the process of operation, and, in principle, quality work, because we prepare, in fact, equipment for production. You may be surprised yourself, if you love it, it already fits perfectly. And now the groceries are ready, and now we're going to cook them. And I want to say that if you want to build an uncomplicated Saturn Buck airport and weld an auger into it, an uncomplicated auger, we can do that. As always, there will be a link in the description below this video where you can leave a request for an auger. Or to the canteen and purchase our very service. Okay, I'll say goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.